Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update Windows on your DELL Pro 14. To update your Windows, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, either via the Wi-Fi or using the Ethernet cable. Then go to Start menu, Settings. On the sidebar, select Windows Update and click Check for Updates to check for any new updates that you haven't yet installed. Once your device finds available updates, it will start downloading and installing it on your computer. If you have to restart your device to apply changes, you'll be notified, and you'll also be able to do so by clicking Restart Now icon that will appear right here. And for optional updates, you have to go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and here you will find some betas or preview updates for your laptop that you can also install. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.